put in will light up a tire in the back. When he do it again, Dad, do it. Listen to it.
Ready?
You saw ya? Like in a drive. You see? I didn't get my cat on fire. Saying, like in a follow fire if you think it's going to catch on fire.
Follow if they're gonna think it's gonna catch on fire, is that what you said?
Yeah. That's what he played.
Good YouTuber, huh?
It actually might fall. It might actually
We
catch
should
on.
check to make sure it isn't gonna fall out again, right?
Yeah. Because here's my dad. He's crazy. he got a lot of food. Here we going again. So crazy. He think. Please like in his drive on his video. Then we'll so cool. Please. Wow, you're cool, right? Pretty cool. You should get an OT. Get an OT match. A match. Yeah, if you